So we're going to take a look at how to take a bunch of old, wasted, nasty wood that would normally be thrown away and turn it into really nice, pretty wood that can be used for things like aircraft firewalls and such. So check this out. Isn't that pretty? We went from this to this. I'd say a few piles of mulch with all the old fence slats that I've been planing. Works great for the extra wood and things I need for my RC hobbies.
Check out our full-length video to see how we take this wood and create a firewall using a laser cutter.